How do 0.5 zoom on Android camera? Now, first things first, you have to be reminded that not all Android phones has this kinds of feature. Now, some phones only has 0.6, 0.8, and many more. Now, for you to be able to do so, you just have to check out your current phone settings first. Just head to your settings and go to About Phone, and in here, you just have to make sure that your phone has a feature of zooming out of zero point 0.5. Now doing it and using it is very easy. All you have to do is just to open or access your phone camera. So as you can see, I only have 0.6, 0.8, a 1, 2, and a 5. And for additional information, you won't be able to use zero point 0.5 from the front camera. So it has to be your back camera. And that's it. That's how you can use zero point 0.5 zoom on Android camera.